Here we have the Galaxy S26 Ultra hands-on video. Now, after Galaxy S26 Ultra, we have the first official live look of the Galaxy S26 Plus. A fresh leak allegedly reveals a Galaxy S26 Plus test unit in real-life images. The device appears in its black color option, offering yet another early glimpse of the upcoming smartphone. The Galaxy S26 Plus, shown in these live shots, seems to be a working prototype, as it still carries identification markings on the rear panel. There are printed device identifier IDs on the back, one positioned near the top and another placed toward the bottom. The phone features slim and symmetrical bezels. While this isn't a new upgrade for this year, it continues the refined design language introduced with the Galaxy S25 series. The selfie camera cutout, however, looks slightly larger compared to previous Galaxy flagship models. On the rear side, a noticeable camera island houses 3 sensors, including an ultra-wide primary and telephoto lens. Beside the camera module sits an LED flash, which also functions as a torch when needed. Samsung appears to be moving away from the Saturn-style camera rings. The Galaxy S26 lineup brings back metallic camera rings that look sharp yet polished. Durability around the camera system is also said to be improved, thanks to the reinforced camera island structure. There is still a possibility that these live images represent an early prototype or could even be fabricated. With the official unveiling just days away, it's hard to ignore these visuals. A total of 4 images have surfaced. 2 additional shots are also available for a closer look. Samsung is expected to introduce the Galaxy S26 series on February 26. The company has already opened reservations for the next Galaxy, allowing customers to secure a free $30 Samsung credit, along with up to $900 in trade-in savings. That's it for today. What's your thoughts? Let me know in the comment section, and as always, see you in the next video. Peace out.